Chiliz value equivalent to $0.1251 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.1246 - 0.1276 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 0.1269, which generally is very huge. The change essentially was 0.0018, 1.42%. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Reverse rate, United States dollars to CHZ, which basically is very huge. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a genuinely significant manner. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, in every practical sense, least 0.11, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $0.12, really greatest 0.13, for the most part least 0.11. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $0.13, most certainly greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.13, truly greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12 in an exceptionally large way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.13, exceptionally greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Chiliz gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.13, especially most extreme 0.14, kind of least 0.12, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.13, by and large most extreme 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12, or so they fundamentally thought. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.13, essentially greatest 0.14, really least 0.12 in a genuinely significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.13, especially greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, showing how Chiliz cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $0.1251 a coin. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.13, sort of greatest 0.14, kind of least 0.12 in a kind of significant manner. In about 14 days Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.13, beautiful most extreme 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.13, genuinely most extreme 0.14, exceptionally least 0.12. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.13, kind of most extreme 0.14, especially least 0.12, which basically is very critical. Chiliz figure on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.13, lovely greatest 0.14, truly least 0.12 in a fundamentally significant way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.14, most extreme 0.15, by and large least 0.13, showing how genuinely reverse rate, United States dollars to CHZ, or so they explicitly thought. In 3 weeks Chiliz conjecture on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.13, truly greatest 0.14, genuinely least 0.12, which sort of is very huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.14, extremely greatest 0.15, sort of least 0.13 in a sort of significant manner. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.15, truly most extreme 0.16, least 0.14, or so they certainly thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, lovely least 0.13. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.14, essentially most extreme 0.15, by and large least 0.13, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $0.14, truly most extreme 0.15, exceptionally least 0.13, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.14, greatest 0.15, especially least 0.13, really in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to CHZ swapping scale certainly equivalent to 7.9936 coins per $1, which truly shows that Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 30, cost $0.14, truly greatest 0.15 in every practical sense, least 0.13 in an all things considered significant way. Today's reach, 7.8370 to 8.0257 in a for the most part significant manner. The past day's nearby, 7.8802, change for now plus 0.1134, plus 1.44%. Or so they truly thought. United States dollars to CHZ cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Monday, walk 6, cost 8.333 coins, kind of greatest 9.091 in every practical sense, least 7.692, which is very critical. United States dollars to CHZ forecast on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 8.333 coins, truly most extreme 9.091, genuinely least 7.692, showing that today's exchanged cost range 0.1246, 0.1276 really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 7.692 coins, by and large most extreme 8.333, really least 7.143. Showing that Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.12, especially greatest 0.13, exceptionally least 0.11 in an extremely significant way. United States dollars to CHZ expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 7.692 coins, sort of most extreme 8.333, sort of least 7.143. Exhibiting that Chiliz figure on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $0.12, truly greatest 0.13, kind of least 0.11 in a significant way. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Friday, walk 10, cost 7.692 coins, truly greatest 8.333, essentially least 7.143, which generally is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to CHZ forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost 7.692 coins, sort of greatest 8.333, extremely least 7.143. So Chiliz cost commonly equivalent to $0.1251 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 7.692 coins, especially most extreme 8.333, genuinely least 7.143. Truly further appearance how Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8,